Most of us have some form of a lightning streaks on our body that are known as stretch marks. There's nothing wrong with having them, but if you have them and you're not fond of them, today I'm going to share a remedy that you can use that will help to fade the stretch marks. It's going to take time, but with continuous use, you will see results sooner than later. So if you're out there and you're trying to get rid of your stretch marks, this recipe is for you. It's a simple but an easy recipe that anyone can make in the comfort of their kitchen. Now we're on our way to getting rid of stretch marks, so let's start the recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, we have our skincare products. You can find these at ALESMAXii.com. Go ahead, support your girl by shopping. Treat yourself to some form of a facial moisturizer, serums, cleanser, or even shampoo and conditioner. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. For this recipe, you're going to need a small bowl. You're also going to need a storage container. Now here I have petroleum jelly, widely known as a Vaseline. This has been used for centuries on the skin, but what you might not be aware of is how it performs on the skin. When you apply petroleum jelly on the skin, it locks the moisture in the skin, preventing water from escaping. That is why now they use petroleum jelly to slug the skin by applying it on the skin, go to sleep with it, and wake up with fresh, amazing looking wrinkle-free skin. So today I am going to be using it to make this remedy, and I'm using about a teaspoon of the petroleum jelly. What I'm going to do with this, I am going to be melting it so that I can add other ingredients to it. A quick and easy way to melt it is to put it in the microwave, or like me, I like to just get a cup with hot water, place it over it, and then I started to melt it in that way. So I like to just keep stirring, and before you know it, in a minute or two, the petroleum jelly is melted. Now once this is done, it is now ready for my other ingredient. My first ingredient is going to be some aloe vera gel. And aloe vera gel have to hydrate the skin. It also have to clear hyperpigmentation from the skin. It have to nourish and protect the skin. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the aloe vera gel, and I'm pouring this in. Once I have the aloe vera gel, I'm going to be mixing it in the petroleum jelly while still keeping it in on the hot water. So pour this in and thoroughly blend the two ingredients together, mixing well. This remedy is good for stretch marks. It is also good for dry skin. It is also good to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. You can also use this remedy to slug by applying it on your skin overnight, sleep with it, and wake up with hydrated skin. Now here is the key to this mixture. I'm going to be using some castor oil, and many of you are not aware how amazing castor oil is on the skin. It do get a bad rap because of the scent. However, if you could tolerate that, then this will work wonders for you. Rich in rinsalicylic acid, castor oil help to remove wrinkles and fine lines, help to soften the skin, good for stretch marks, good for varicose veins. Castor oil can help to nourish and protect the skin. So we're using about a teaspoon in the mixture, and we're gonna mix, and we are gonna mix well. Once this is done, I'm gonna reach for some coconut oil. And while coconut oil, because coconut oil also works as a humectant on the skin, locking the moisture in the skin. If you're out there and you're looking for product that is very similar to these ingredients that I'm using, check out hyaluronic acid. It works just like these ingredients on the skin by locking moisture in the skin. You can also check out the Khichi Beauty hyaluronic acid serum, which also helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. So now we are pouring about a teaspoon of the coconut oil in. In our bowl, we have petroleum jelly, we have aloe vera gel, and now we have castor oil, coconut oil, and now we're gonna mix, and we're gonna mix well, still keeping it over the hot water. Once this is done, let's remove it and continue to blend the ingredient together. If you want this to be nice and creamy, you can choose to place it in your blender and blend. I'm gonna leave it as is since this is a small batch. And now I'm gonna pour it in my small container. Now use an open mouth jar because this is gonna get somewhat thick and it's gonna be more of a balm-like consistency. And you do not have to keep this in the refrigerator. You can keep this on the countertop. Apply this on the face, the neck, and décolleté. Apply it anywhere you have dry skin. Apply it on those stretch marks nightly. Massages on the skin. An amazing recipe for all skin type. Now, what other ingredient would you use in this remedy? Go ahead and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also share. Now you have made it this far in the video, so most likely you enjoyed this one, so I'm going to recommend 2 more of my videos right here for you to watch. Go ahead, watch them, like, comment, and share. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe so that you may never miss another video from our channel.